Okay, this is the pre-match.
What? The pre-match is getting out the cell phone. You're gonna do this.
Here's Chris's corner man, Aaron Edmonds. Here's Mr. Odell. His cell phone. Here's Mr. Niehoff right here. Corner man. So this fight.
First round.
Predictions for this fight.
Oh.
What's your game plan? What's your game plan?
It's gonna be a good fight.
Hey,
ho. I gotta go with Chris right here, man.
What's yours, Tyler?
I got Chubb.
Oh, we're behind Heather Hayden's house, so Tyler's not really feeling the match right now.
So that's why he's got Chubb. That's why he's got Chubb.
So that's the pregame, guys. Let's get into this match. Here we go. Glove up. Round one. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh.
Hey, hold on, Tom. Stop, please.
Alright, is that time? Round two. Let's go.
Alright, go.
Go!
Oh! Whoa, back up. Alright, go!
Does that count as a knockdown? One down.
Holy shit. Don't worry about it, come on. Go. Go!
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 Hey, quit dancing! Go!
Go! Save it. Being a punk.
Get on, Daniel!
Here, get in the dead
Get on, hey, get in the dirt glass, come on. This is only, it hasn't even been a minute yet, so y'all keep going. Remember, anybody can give up at any time.
Go!
Ooh!
Oh. Hey, hang on, watch your back.
Chris.
Come on.
Oh my God, dude. This is crazy. Woo!
20 seconds.
Come on, let's go. This is a beast. Come on, let's go.
15, 14, 13, 12.
Come on.
10.
Come on, no, this is.
8.
Come on, Chris ain't giving up.
What's she saying?
It's only a nosebleed. Daniel's mouth is busted open.
Come on. That's round. Second round's over. Please.
Yeah, no.
Chris, look at that. Do anything.
Come on for the camera. What up? It's Jason. Daniel, come here. How you feel after those rounds? Do you think you did?
Obviously, got knocked down.
You.
Put your head back.
Hey, come on. Alright. Third round right here, baby. Ooh. That's it, Daniel. Get in. There. Hey, get in there, man.
Hang on, go dry grass. Hang on, come out. Right here.
Whoa, Aaron. Whoa. Cameraman ball.
Alright, go. Alright.
The round ain't over. Come on.
Ding. Alright, Daniel.
Come on, Daniel. Get in there.
Alright. Go. Get it. Alright, that's it.
That's round? What are your thoughts on the aftermatch? What do you think you could have done better?
Oh. Should have worked on blocking.
Chris, you already have one.
Good competition. My nose bled, and it tasted funny.
What about you, Aaron?
What is that
No, go to P. Go to P. What are your thoughts on the match, huh?
Chris, man.
You picked the winner. You picked the winner. What about you, Tyler? You picked Daniel?
Oh. Should have worked on blocking.
Chris, you already have one.
Good competition. My nose bled, and it tasted funny.
What about you, Aaron?
What is that
No, go to P. Go to P. What are your thoughts on the match, huh?
Chris, man.
You picked the winner. You picked the winner. What about you, Tyler? You picked Daniel too.
Still got Chubb.
the camera.
So this is the cameraman, Josh Peppers. We out.
No doubt.
Just want to send a shout out to Aaron Edmonds right here.
Yeah. Blood on my shirt.
Oh no! Look at that! Look at the blood! Look at the blood, face. And
Look at
Dad.
the blood Facebook.
Oh, Daniel, you did good, brah. Working that blocking, brah.
Hey, dude, there's aftermath. Hang on, keep clean sheets, Cody.
And the winner of this match, right here. Actually, the winner gets nothing but the loser gets a head shave. Actually, I think I don't know.
Is this my water? The winner gets grabbed.
Cody.
This
Cody
my
gets
water?
orange soda. Cody loves orange soda. Cody loves it. He
This is my
loves
water.
it. No zip. No
What's that little thing for you?
What? Yeah, it is. Alright, Cody's like, oh, gotta pose. Hey, Tyler. What Facebook view?
Chubb.
What?
Got Chubb.
Got Chubb.
Not, yeah.
Got Chubb.
bit.
Tyler's got Chubb.
For sure. For Thursday.
Cassie.